Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be working on this Samsung dishwasher. The customer's complaint is when they run the smart auto cycle, the unit just runs continuously and doesn't shut off. So what we're going to be replacing is the turbidity sensor.
You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver.
Okay, now that we've got the unit uninstalled and laid on its back, the first thing we're going to do is remove the bottom access panel. There's 2 Phillips screws that will need to be removed. Once those are removed, it's just tabs that are going to be holding this in place. You can go in with the flathead screwdriver. Once your panel's free, just going to rotate it down. And you're going to disconnect your harness for your leak detector and set that off to the side. Okay, now that we've got our bottom panel removed, we've got access to the turbidity sensor. Just going to go ahead and remove this harness here. Set that off to the side. And it's just got 2 little locking tabs, one on each side here, that are just going to have to be pried off. Just take a small flathead screwdriver and just gently release your tabs. Once the tabs are released, you can just grab it and pull it straight out. Okay, so we've got our new turbidity sensor here. Basically what this is there's 2 little optics boards that are in here, and it's pretty much just a laser beam that goes in between the 2. And this sets up inside the tub. And as like food particles and everything go through there, they break apart the beam. So that's how it knows that there's still dirty wash water that's in there. So as the water gets cleaner, there's less obstructions on this beam, and it will basically advance through the cycle. If this beam gets blocked, or if it's really corroded or plugged up, then that beam thinks it's blocked all the time, and it will give you long wash cycles. Sometimes it may never even stop the wash cycle. It may run almost continuously. So just a dirty turbidity sensor can give you problems as well. So sometimes you can just clean them off. Sometimes they do need to be replaced. But this is a new one here. We're going to go ahead and reinstall it. Set the piece up in there. And you're just gonna press it into the tub. You'll hear it lock in place. Make sure both tabs are secured. Then you'll go ahead and reconnect your harness. Okay, at this point you can go ahead and install the bottom access panel. All right, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our bottom panel here. Going to connect our harness for the leak detector and flip it up. You got a couple tabs down at the bottom, and then just kind of roll it forward. Press it in place. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and reinstall our 2 Phillips screws on the access panel. right, now that that's done, we can go ahead and set the unit up and hook up our electrical connections and water supply, and that's going to complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.